Welcome back guys to this channel Cracking Aptitude. This is the third tutorial on combinations, and if you haven't watched my earlier tutorials, I've done tutorials on permutations also. Then there is a link to all those tutorials in the description below. You can go and check out those tutorials and then come back to this one if you don't know the basics. So let's get started. There is a question. There are 6 cars and 6 bikes in total. Out of these, only 5 vehicles are allowed to be parked at a time in a parking lot. In how many ways can it be done if there should be at least 3 cars in the parking lot? So now, first of all, we have total 6 cars and 6 bikes, that is total 12 vehicles we have, and out of that only 5 vehicles are allowed at a time to be parked in a parking lot. And there is a condition that out of these 5 vehicles, 3 should be cars, at least 3 should be cars. So there can be 3 cars and 2 bikes. This C represents cars and B represents bikes. So according to the given condition, there can be 3 cars and 2 bikes, or there can be another set that contains 4 cars and 1 bike, or there can be all 5 cars, that is 5 cars and 0 bikes. So in all these combinations, in all these 3 different combinations, there are at least 3 cars. So the condition is satisfied, and now we can apply basic combinations, and we can get 6C3 into 6C2, that is 3 cars plus 2 bikes, 3 cars and 2 bikes, so 6C3 into 6C2, or that is plus, or another set that we have 6C4 into 6C1 for 4 cars and 1 bike, or 6C5, that is all 5 cars. And the basic formula of combination is NCR, which is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So now when you solve this, you get 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial, plus, now when we solve this part, we get 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial into 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial. Now plus, when we solve this part, we get 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 5 factorial into 5 factorial. The whole can be written as is equal to 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 6 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial plus 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 4 factorial into 6 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 1 factorial plus 6 factorial divided by 1 factorial into 5 factorial. Now when you solve this, we get 396 different ways, 396 different ways. Very simple. So that was for today, and now is the time for a question, and this is the question. So that was the question, and if you have already solved it, then you can go to my website, that is www.protude.wordpress.com. I have given the link to that website in the description below. You can go there, post your answers, and ask me any doubts if you have one. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.